In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to your messages in HubSpot conversations, making them livelier and more engaging for your communication needs. First things first, let's get set up by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the conversation section. You'll find it easily in the main menu. Hover over it and then click on Inbox. This will open up the space where you can manage all of your ongoing conversations, respond to queries, and now, of course, add those all-important emojis to your messages. Once inside the inbox, you'll likely see your list of messages or threads ready for you to dive into. Select a message thread or start composing a new one if you prefer to test out adding emojis in a fresh message. As you compose your message, cast your eye over the text editor toolbar that sits above your typing space. This toolbar is a handy little tool with a variety of options. Amongst these, you'll spot the emoji icon. It's usually a small, smiling face, a delightful symbol that will open up an entire world of fun icons to you. Clicking the emoji icon will prompt an emoji picker to appear. This is your window into a vast array of expressive characters, from happy faces to thumbs up, and a whole lot more. Now you have two options here. You can either browse through the collection leisurely, or use the search bar if you have a specific emoji in mind. Once you've found the perfect emoji to express what you're trying to convey, or simply to add a splash of personality to your message, just click on it. This will insert the emoji directly into your message, right where your cursor is. Now let's talk about why you might want to spice up your messages with emojis. Adding them can greatly enhance engagement. In digital communication, emojis serve as the tone of your message. They can convey humor, friendliness, or even urgency, which words alone sometimes struggle to do. They make your communication more relatable, breaking down barriers by adding a bit of human touch to otherwise plain text. This can be particularly useful in business communications where fostering a warm relationship can be beneficial. Finally, once you've crafted your message and sprinkled in just the right amount of emojis, all that's left is to hit send. Watch how your message feels different now. By infusing it with a bit of creativity and personality, you've turned a simple message into an engaging piece of communication. So go ahead and start sending messages that reflect more of your personality and enhance your conversations. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the right emoji can sometimes say more than words alone.